Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay July 28, 2024 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong July 28, 2024 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Sunday, July 28, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for July 28, 2024, Sunday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 15.8 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 56.5 million pesos for Sunday, July 28, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of July 28, 2024, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.